Kman now said the grocery.
What?
Saying big fame like we take no sorry.
What?
Chop 'em up everything, get chop up.
Reaction.
Okay, ladies, calm down. Keep your pennies on, bitch. Calm down. Don't take your bra off. Don't take it off. What's up? Ladies, please calm down. Easy with the screaming. The reaction boss, the clash hype man, is finally here. Baby girl, put on your panty. If you throw your panty, don't throw your panty over here, son. People, hear that song called Hurt Them from Kratos 7, if that's how you pronounce the name, people. Visualize that. The dog, this princess Nani. Me want to say near me to pussy club. Princess Nani. K-Gal. Or K-Gal. I would bomb clan name so now. 6 Gal. Young Star shit. What about hold on? And Taliban this. So you mother this everything in sight. People. Someone in the comment section recommend this song. The Clash Hype man is it. Ladies. Calm down your bumbo class self no man. You want me to react to the song or not? No viewers and subscribers, you all know I rather react to music videos. I'ma always say it in every video I do. But when the viewers them recommend something in the comment section, don't make me run out. Maybe it's the song, man. People, you don't know the pause bar is in full effect. We finna break this. Oh no, hold on. Let me see the pause bar should be in full effect real quick. Hold on, I gotta check something. Before I do the reaction, while you are waiting on me, comment on this video, see your comment next video that I post. You know, posting every single day. You see me? Comment right this one. You comment? Man, big up yourself. Again, I'm gonna love you. Alright then. Alright. Pause boss is not in full effect. Reaction boss is in full effect. Kratos 7. Hurt them. Visualizer. Make we see what go on. Run. Tune. Bombo clad. First of all, your big bag of impact. Big up on yourself. Please and beg on the white flag my channel so I can post a reaction video for the people and viewers them can watch the video them. But I'm gonna post some video, the video them I get black worldwide. We don't like that. We want to see the video them and react to the video them. You see me? Anyways, run tune.
Yes man, on them boy them quick like a wild Apache. On them base down flat, no them not happy. Kill everything down to them.
Hold on. We don't want to miss nothing.
Boy them quick like a wild Apache.
Wild
on
Apache?
them base down flat, no them not happy.
Burn them base, no them not happy. Walla more.
Yes man, on them boy them quick like a wild Apache. On them base down flat, no them not happy. Kill everything down to them damn puppy.
Down to the puppy. Kill everything down to the puppy. The dog puppy. Wanna do nothing. They gonna kill him. Squad.
Bullet rinse out them nose cause it damn snotty. Still spread them out with one fly shotty. 5 dead, 1 running, feel them so lucky.
Spread them out with born fly shot. Over shotty?
Cause it damn snotty.
What?
Still spread them out with one fly shotty.
What?
5 dead, 1 running, feel them so lucky.
5 of them dead and then 1 boy run. He feels say he's so lucky. I bet you say I catch him. He might catch him, you know? People that died, them Kratos 7, make listen some more. Go on!
Catch Kman now said the grocery.
What?
Saying big fame like we take no sorry.
What?
Chop 'em up everything, get chop up.
Hold on, the catch came and do what?
Now said the grocery.
What?
One fly shotty, 5 dead, 1 running, feel them so lucky. Catch Kman now said the grocery.
Catch Kman now, so the good man I go shopping. Hold on, people, hold on. Right now. We have to go to color here. Redness in the blood. What I know a reaction boss. Hold on there. What if I go still see me? Me no care. I saw not get a reaction that night here. Go on!
Saying big fame like we take no sorry. Chop 'em up everything get chop up. As long as belly everything gets split up. Who know what here when they trick all if hospital bed and me not talk switch up. Even if up mommy no just ambitious. Give them a Bible let them read Exodus. Demon said the wooden boy by the dust. Yes man.
Who said the word?
Ambitious. Give them a Bible let them read Exodus. Demon said the wooden boy by the dust.
Hey! People, what you thoughts on the song right now? Drop a down in the comment section. If you fuck with the song, drop some fire emoji. If you don't fuck with the song, just drop a comment and me why you don't fuck with the song. Remember now, we interact in the comment section. I'm listening to the viewers them. I'm listening to Uno. You see me? So I go in the comments them and I go respond and say what I say. You see me? Run tune.
Yes, man, you know the team well dangerous. Born fly, born bad. We don't give a fuck about no guns in Baghdad. We not fuck, but it's just a
You give a fuck about what?
Born fly, born bad. We don't give
Born fly song on him. Alright then.
a fuck about no guns in Baghdad.
Yeah.
We not fuck, but it's just a keep a standard.
Yeah.
Ready when they're ready, what the pussy swan down.
You hear that? You don't say no care about none of the gun we have in your backyard. You see me? I say, remember born fly song when I say born bad, you know. You see me? I say, and then what? Why you say boss one then?
Guns in Baghdad. We not fuck, but it's just a keep a standard.
Who the dog I say fuck but if you keep a standard, people? Who the dog I say do that? We don't know.
Ready when they're ready, what the pussy swan down.
What?
Link Jeff photo, mother Taliban. Drop some.
Why you say about photo?
Dad. Ready when they're ready, what the pussy swan down.
Yeah.
Link Jeff photo, mother Taliban.
Link Jeff Arthur murder Taliban. My friend, you know what going to be Jeff fully Arthur right now still now. You see me I say? But it doesn't go link fully Arthur, Jeff Arthur, and I'm gonna murder Taliban. Sklat!
Drop some bombs in Afghanistan.
What?
7 afraid and no fucking man.
What?
For them pussy as soon as a man.
What?
Could I be the airport? Could I be the damn port?
Yeah.
We govern the sea so them must get caught.
Yeah!
Not for them.
Could I be the airport or what? Man, instead of govern everything. What you say about what?
Man, could I be the airport? Could I be the damn port? We govern the sea so them must get caught. Not for them I talk but them lock which part. Feast them gotta go them walk which ground. Shrink on the man so them feel them immortal. And Joe for
Walla. I got spit people. You must spit lyrics. You see me? And I throw a whole heap of words out there. A whole heap of this I go on people. What your thoughts? I won't recommend the song, you know. You see me? I could see some more.
Feast them gotta go them walk which ground. Shrink on the man so them feel them immortal. And Joe for take all disappear them like portal. Evil the fuck we don't care but no man. In dirty water say we must catch a Kman. Just running
In dirty water say must catch a woo.
Evil the fuck we don't care but no man. In dirty water say we must catch a Kman. Just run in and dig him out. Him start to beat about. They la fire gun shot in them split him out. If them lock the place why them can't pass this road. VGS killers we spread all about. Running everything must connect. We not fight y'all what on no internet. Duppy we make but I guess them forget.
He does say not find you up on the internet. He does say duppy them make but I guess them forget. Sklad Kratos said
Thing must connect. We not fight y'all what on no internet. Duppy we make but I guess them forget. From the damn injected but the nozzle in them out and squeeze it. Every up's dead and we mean it. Rapid fire burst we not kind feeling. 6 man dead that's so appealing. That's running and they came out.
Feel it.
Running and they came out. Last up try this way. Send boy in a grave not no taxi.
Man say him same boy in a grave. Not no taxi. Not no taxi.
Gone high, gone for talking fancy. Kill them quick, fuck who damn see. Even the fuck who
That
them
no care who see.
Walk up on youngsters, smoke him neatly. Rip them souls, still carry them jumbie. Dead boy, dead girl all around me. None of them fools could ever clung with them. Easy if you catch, just wait and damn see. Wait and damn see.
Wait and damn say. 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 Hey. Bad him, just kill everything. The man kill Chris Nani, K-Gal, 6 gal, youngster shit. Taliban this, the people want to toss on the song. The dog come out, he run out, and go and shoot out the whole bomb back up at ends. Viewers and subscribers, what are your thoughts on the song? Reaction boss signing out right now. We are giving another reaction today. I think when you want in the comments, what does have to react to next? Watch us style. Be sure in the comment section I'm going to go to. Let me see what I'm saying in the comment section right now. I'm going to check who know now. The dog say foolish. Alright, this have to Kratos hurt them. Cool, we'll just do that. You see me, I say, why is somebody say, why is somebody say? The boss, bad, big up, alright, big up yourself too. Hold on, man. I know the reaction boss. Just some, I'm going to tell you about fire emoji. Drop some fire emoji. Me in the comment section if you never know. I think me like when I'm talking to you. You see me, I say. So I get to now ask for Young Star 6 dead apps. Young Star 6 and Kman Revenge. Reaction boss are giving them song there. You see me? Me I sign up, make up again up for crazy, see and we am gone.